हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना आंबेली. आयज एक असो मुद्दो आहा ते हालीं दिसांनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान तेजेर एक ऑब्जर्वेशन केलें, व्हॉट यू कॉल इट एज ऑर्डर, and indirectly directing the High Court in Goa with respect to the ASI. आता ह्या लेटराचेर थोड्यो वस्तू जेन्ना आमी डिटेलां वयताय तेदोळा एक एक वस्त आमकां पॉपअप येता, दिश्टी पडटा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ASI आर्कोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया गोवा सर्कलाक हे सुवर्ण लोटलेकर म्हणटाय द ओरिजिनल पीपल हू हॅड परचेस द प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम जिओनी पिंटो. हे सुवर्ण लोटलेकर एक परमिशन एक लेटर घाता, रिक्वेस्ट घाता इन दिस ASI Goa circle, and that letter is dated as 19th of February 2020, which ASI circle receives it on 25th of February 2020. And हेच्या पयलीं तांकां एक एंडोस्कोपी मेळटा ASI, which is dated as 17th January 2020. The endoscopy of the documents. And हे सुवर्ण लोटरेकार कितें म्हणटा ह्या रिक्वेस्टांत ते ASI Goa सर्कला सांगता that she has submitted all the documents to ASI Delhi except the plan. Or except the plan कित्याक which is not signed. म्हणजे तो ऑथेंटिकेट जालो ना म्हणटे, एक्सेप्ट करते, आनी तो डॉक्युमेंट म्हणटे ASI गोवा सर्कला तेणें दिलो ना. आतां तो प्लॅन कित्याक दिवना तेणें? तुका जर तर सगळी परमिशन मेळ्ळें जाल्यार तो प्लॅनाचेर सायन मान एंडोस्कोन दिवपा जाय आसलो गोवा सर्कलाक, तुवें तो सबमीट केलो ना. सो ASI गोवा सर्कल ताका लेटर बरयता पत्ती, and he letter 3rd March 2020 ASI writes to Suvarna Lotlekar saying that the permission that you are asking for cannot be given because the Suvarna Santai that you yourself are accepting that the plan is not duly signed and you have not submitted the plan which you are accepting. And as per the request, the Suvarna Lotlekar ASI Goa circle apart dila, Titu she is saying it is a residential ancestral house. Whereas ASI Goa circle, after having gone on site maybe, they have clearly mentioned in the letter which she have written to Suvarna Lotlekar that ago baba go tu pod residential house pod muta te residential house thing kednai naslole. In fact, they are going one step ahead by telling Suvarna Lotlekar that forget about the residential or ancestral house being there. There was a hut, hut. So where is the hut and where is the house? And on top they are also mentioning it to her that her claim that there is a residential house and saying that the permission has been taken from the ASI Delhi circle, they are telling her that this contradicts. These are two different versions. Tu residential house permission gata and you claim you have got permission from Delhi circle. Whereas the custodians of that protected site is a Goa circle. If Goa circle says if it is not truth, then why there is ASI Goa circle in Goa? If things are going to be taken as gospel or Bible truth from ASI Delhi, then why Goa circle ASI is needed? See that it is clearly a clear fact that Goa circle was perfectly done his job, and आता तेजेर ते अवटली जावं कवटली म्हणनाका, they are putting such a big pressure on them. They are even allegedly roping in IAS officers to protect this illegal bungalow. This cannot happen. So it is my humble request to all the people of Goa, in Goa and outside Goa, please share this video of mine to everybody. Soglank kodpa jaye ye vastu barik barik. What we can do, we can go to the court, we can bring about awareness to the people. We will push, but there has to be a pressure built up by every Goan, cutting across religion, caste, region. Dev Bare Guru.